I'm Angela, the lead teacher of the 50-Hour Ayurveda Course. In this program, we'll begin to scratch the surface of the many and varied practices under the beautifully broad umbrella of Ayurveda. This course gives you the tools to design your own Ayurvedic lifestyle as a first step toward understanding this expansive science of life. Share practices with loved ones so they too begin to know the magic of Ayurveda. Topics we'll explore include philosophies of Ayurveda, tridosha theory, Ayurvedic lifestyle practices, which includes dinacharya, or Ayurvedic daily routine, seasonal routines, Ayurvedic cooking, and Ayur yoga. Other beautiful topics we'll share include color therapy, mudra, mantra as sound therapy, marma therapy, scent therapy, and meditation, as well as Vastu Shastra, which is the science of dwelling. This course qualifies for continuing education credits with Yoga Alliance and the Global Online Yoga Association. You have 12 months to complete this training, so you can do it at your own pace. You'll receive a certificate of completion. This is not a teacher or practitioner training, as those both require years of study. Rather, it's an introduction to the vast science of Ayurveda, along with many practices for the use of Ayurveda in everyday life. Every journey begins with a single step. Welcome.